Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, guys. I'm super excited today to bring to you a review of the Soundpeats Sonic. Alright, now before I continue, I'd like to let you know this channel completely survives on your subscription. So it's free, give it a subscribe. Let's start this off. Alright, to look at the box, there's not much to see here. It's pretty straightforward. I can't tell which one is the back side and which one's supposed to be the front side. I guess this is the front side. Okay. Alright, let's open this up for you guys. There you go. Okay, slides out like this, nothing more to see here. That's the box, guys. Very simple. Guess you trying to pull it out from here. No, okay, no, okay, there you go. Alright, so it comes out from here. There you go. They look quite good, especially for the price of it. They look a little bit like the Sony's WF-1000 XM4. There might be a cheap imitation of it. Okay, let's look what we get inside the box, okay? Okay, so opening it up, we get some earbuds. Okay, so I guess small and large, okay, and we also get a USB-C charger, which is really nice to see. Other than that, inside we get the manual, alright, how to use it, which is quite good. Let's get those out of the way and look at the bad boy itself. Alrighty, yeah, so that's basically it. Opens up like that. Okay. I thought this was going to light up, but it doesn't. Okay. These are magnetized, which is nice to see. Removes me. Yeah. So I guess that's where it comes into charge. These are silicon-ish. Yeah, these are silicon, but they're not soft like AirPod Pro silicon. Okay, pretty good. I don't like the AirPods Pro silicon. So that's a clickable button there. To the other side. Okay, let's remove this for now. That's pretty straight, easy peasy, not too hard there. What about this side? Yep, nice and easy, not too bad. They look quite good, you know. You wouldn't be able to say that these cost around 50 bucks, you know. They're not too bad at all. Alright, I'd be interested in looking at how they sound and what's the noise cancellation level at and all that stuff. Okay, wow, okay, so that's pretty cool. Alright, that's how they charge. They turn on with little Superman S's. That's basically it. Alright guys, thanks for watching to the end. Let me know what you guys think about the video and also what you'd like to see it paired up against, maybe an AirPods or the Mark IVs by Sony. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.